The Aaleds RV Lights Interior 8-pack delivers impressively bright, natural white illumination, using high-output light-emitting diodes to comfortably light up an entire camper or trailer interior. Each fixture spreads light evenly through a thick diffusion cover, so you get a wide, soft glow without harsh glare or distracting hot spots. The dual-panel design with an integrated switch lets you choose between a single side or both sides lit, making it easy to fine-tune brightness for tasks or relaxing. Build quality is solid, with a durable housing and impact-resistant shade that hold up well to the bumps and vibrations common in recreational vehicles and boats. Installation is straightforward thanks to the simple 2-wire connection and included mounting hardware, so most owners can retrofit existing dome lights in just a few minutes. Because these lights run on standard 12-volt power and have a slim, tidy profile, they work well not only in recreational vehicles but also in trailers, boats, vans, and even under cabinets or in workspaces.